Next, a box contains 19 balls bearing numbers 1 to 19. Okay. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the number on the ball is, number 1, a prime number? Here, firstly 19 balls numbered 1 to 19. Balls drawn at random. So probability is required upon total. Total we know 19 because total numbers are 19. So first is prime number. Okay. How can the ball have prime number? What are the prime numbers between 1 to 19? So 1 is not a prime number always. Remember that. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. So how many? 8. So probability is what? Required is 8 upon total is 19. So 8 by 19 is the required answer. Second, the number should be divisible by 3 or 5, means out of these numbers 1 to 19. So it should be divisible by 3 or 5. Or means plus, right? It can be 3 also or by 5 also. So what are the numbers possible? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 5 and 10, right? See here, up to 18 we take first by 3 and then by 5. 5, 10, even 15 is there in 5, but it's already taken. So you need not take it again. So required equals to 8 outcomes again. So probability is 8 by 19. So that's again the answer. Next is, it should be neither divisible by 5 nor by 10. Okay. So total numbers are 19. Okay. Nor divisible by 5 or 10 means what? What can the numbers be then? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, not 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? These are the numbers possible. So how many outcomes are there? 16. Okay. You can do it reverse way also. Means what are the numbers divisible by 5 or 10 between 1 to 19? 5, 10 and 15, right? So subtract them from 19, then also you get 16 only. But anyways you should get 16. So the required is what? 16. Total is what? 19. So 16 by 19 is the required answer, probability. And the next one is, it should be an even number. Okay. So which numbers are even between 1 to 19? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, right? So 9. So what is the probability? 9. Our total is 19. So 9 by 19 is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version.